In the heart of Jakarta, under the dazzling lights of Studio RCTI Plus, a night of grace, beauty, and anticipation unfolded as Indonesia crowned its new queen. Amidst the cheers of an enthralled audience, Monica Kejia Sembiring, a young woman from the lush landscapes of Sumatera Utara, emerged victorious, claiming the coveted title of Miss Indonesia 2024. But this story is not just about a crown, it is about a journey of passion, resilience, and the spark of love that binds us all. As Monica stepped into the spotlight, her eyes gleaming with the promise of a brighter future, she had no idea that her life was about to take a dramatic turn, a turn that would intertwine her destiny with a love as fierce and dazzling as the crown she now wore. Monica Kejia, a 22-year-old chemical engineering student, had always been a woman of substance. Born and raised in the culturally rich province of Sumatera Utara, she was deeply rooted in the traditions of her Batak heritage. Her upbringing was steeped in the values of hard work, humility, and an unyielding determination to excel in whatever she chose to pursue. Want to see more of our content? Make sure to hit the subscribe button to stay in the loop. As she walked onto the stage, representing Sumatera Utara at the Miss Indonesia 2024 pageant, Monica was not just another contestant. She was a beacon of hope for her province, a symbol of what could be achieved through perseverance and grace. The competition was fierce, with 37 other participants from across the nation vying for the same title. Yet, Monica stood out, not just for her stunning beauty but for her intellect, poise, and the clarity of her vision for Indonesia. The night of the pageant was electric, with every moment charged with suspense. The final question posed to the top 5 contestants required them to articulate their vision for the future of Indonesia. Monica's response was both heartfelt and visionary. She spoke of empowering young women across the nation, particularly in rural areas, through education and career opportunities. Her passion for environmental protection shone through as she outlined her plans to champion sustainable development in Indonesia. When the final announcement came, and Monica's name was called as the winner, the crowd erupted in applause. Crowned by Audrey Vanessa, the outgoing Miss Indonesia, and Kristina Piskova, the reigning Miss World, Monica Kejia was now the face of Indonesia. But this crown came with responsibilities that would soon test her mettle. With her newfound title, Monica was thrust into the national and international spotlight. Preparations for the 72nd edition of Miss World began immediately. As she traveled across Indonesia, promoting her Beauty with a Purpose project, Monica was constantly in the public eye. Yet, amidst the whirlwind of events, she found herself drawn to someone unexpected, a young man named Adrian, a fellow student from her university. Adrian, unlike Monica, was not accustomed to the spotlight. A quiet, introspective soul, he was studying environmental science with a focus on sustainable practices. They had first met in a university seminar on environmental conservation, where Monica was struck by his profound knowledge and deep commitment to making a difference. What started as casual conversations about their shared interests soon blossomed into a deep friendship. As Monica's responsibilities as Miss Indonesia grew, so did her bond with Adrian. He became her confidant, the one person she could talk to about the pressures she faced and the challenges of balancing her public life with her personal dreams. Despite the growing feelings between them, they were both acutely aware of the complexities their relationship would bring. Monica was now a national icon, and any relationship she entered into would be under intense scrutiny. Just as Monica was finding her rhythm as Miss Indonesia and her relationship with Adrian was blossoming, a scandal broke that would shake the very foundations of the Indonesian beauty pageant world. The Miss Universe organization announced that it was severing ties with its Indonesian franchisee after allegations of misconduct during the Miss Universe Indonesia pageant surfaced. Contestants had come forward, accusing the organizers of forcing them to strip for body checks in front of male observers. The news sent shockwaves through the nation. As the newly crowned Miss Indonesia, Monica found herself at the center of a storm not of her making. The media frenzy was relentless, and every move she made was scrutinized. Monica, guided by her strong moral compass, decided to speak out. In a carefully crafted statement, she expressed her deep disappointment in the events that had transpired, emphasizing the need for respect and dignity for all women. Throughout this tumultuous time, Adrian remained by her side, offering support and comfort. Their bond grew stronger as they navigated the challenges together, but the strain was undeniable. Monica's public life left little room for private moments, and the constant attention began to wear on them both. As Monica prepared to represent Indonesia at Miss World, the demands on her time became even greater. The media's interest in her personal life intensified, with rumors swirling about her relationship with Adrian. The pressures of her public role began to take a toll on their relationship. Adrian, who had always shunned the limelight, found it increasingly difficult to cope with the constant attention. Miss Universe has cut ties with Indonesia pageant over sexual assault claims. In a heartfelt conversation, Adrian confessed his fears. He was worried that their relationship would not survive the intense scrutiny and the demands of Monica's role. Monica, though understanding of his concerns, was devastated. She had hoped that their love could withstand any challenge, but now she was faced with the possibility that she might have to choose between her crown and her heart. As the Miss World competition approached, Monica was faced with the most difficult decision of her life. She loved Adrian deeply, but she also felt a profound sense of duty to her country and to the women she sought to empower through her work. After much soul-searching, she made the painful decision to prioritize her responsibilities as Miss Indonesia. The Miss Universe organization has severed ties with its Indonesian franchise after allegations of sexual harassment surfaced during the Miss Universe Indonesia 2023 pageant. 6 contestants reported being asked to strip for body checks, to examine scars and cellulite, with 5 alleging they were photographed topless in a room with over 20 people, including men. The US Best Miss Universe organization stated that the Indonesian franchise, PT Capella Swastika Karya, failed to meet the organization's ethical standards. The police are investigating the claims, and the franchise national director, Poppy Capella, denied any involvement. The Miss Universe organization is also cancelling the 2023 Miss Universe Malaysia competition, which was managed by the same franchisee. The incident has prompted the organization to re-evaluate its policies to prevent future misconduct. Monica and Adrian parted ways, but their love for each other remained. It was a bittersweet ending to a chapter that had been filled with so much promise. Monica threw herself into her preparations for Miss World, channeling her pain into her passion for her Beauty with a Purpose project. She knew that this was the path she had chosen, and she was determined to make the most of the opportunity to represent Indonesia on the world stage. Monica Kejia Sembiring went on to compete in the 72nd edition of Miss World, where she captivated audiences with her grace, intelligence, and unwavering commitment to her cause. While she did not win the Miss World title, she left a lasting impact on the global stage, earning admiration for her poise and her advocacy. Back in Indonesia, Monica became a symbol of strength and resilience. Her story of love and sacrifice resonated with many, inspiring young women across the nation to pursue their dreams with passion and integrity. Adrian, though no longer a part of her life, remained a cherished memory, a reminder of a love that had helped shape her into the woman she had become. As her reign as Miss Indonesia came to an end, Monica reflected on the journey that had brought her here. She had faced challenges and made difficult choices, but she had emerged stronger and more determined to make a difference in the world. The crown she wore was not just a symbol of beauty, it was a testament to her courage, her vision, and the love that had guided her through the most difficult times. Monica Kejia's story is one of triumph, not just in the pageant world, but in life. It is a story of a young woman who dared to dream, who faced adversity with grace, and who ultimately chose to use her platform to uplift others. Her legacy as Miss Indonesia 2024 will be remembered not just for the crown she wore, but for the impact she made and the love she shared along the way. Monica Kejia's journey as Miss Indonesia 2024 is a powerful reminder that beauty is not just about appearances, it is about strength, resilience, and the courage to stand up for what is right. As she continues to inspire young women across Indonesia and the world, Monica's story will remain a beacon of hope and a testament to the power of love and determination. If Monica's story inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more incredible stories of triumph, love, and empowerment. Together, we can continue to uplift and celebrate the voices of women who are making a difference in the world.